bonjour et bienvenue. Today, we have to talk about this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover. Thanks for joining me, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click the button and also click on the bell to not miss any of my coming videos. Thank you! Well guys, today we are going to talk about this box. You ready to discover with me what's inside the box? Let's go! So I picked... I'm super excited because, oh my god! Maybe some of you already know by the size of a dust bag. Some of you may have some clue which bag I picked. So inside I picked the Foulonné crossbody bag, zipped crossbody bag, sorry guys, zipped crossbody bag in the amazing lilac color. Oh my god, how stunning this bag is. It's wow. I have waited for so long, guys, so long that Longchamp released in Le Foulonné leather, which is my favorite leather with taurillon, this shade, because it's not pink, it's not violet, it's lilac, guys, lilac. I know lilac is a particular color. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but it's mine. And oh my love, I love her, I love her. And I love this bag. Foulonné leather and Foulonné range from Longchamp. It's such underrated. This line is just, they reach perfection, really, because it's high quality, practical. The design of the bag are really, really timeless, and yes, I simply love it. I simply love it. And this bag, on my channel, you have already seen my previous one, this one in turtle dove color, and this one is amazing, really amazing, and there is not one day I regret buying it because it's so cool. It's really so cool. And I know that I will buy more. And when I saw lilac, I said, yes, of course. And this time I took the size L because, of course, I saw the small one, and it's amazingly cute, really cute. But as you know, I already have the amazing Anthony from Mulberry, which is also a lilac shade, perfect. If you have not seen it, check my video on my channel. And so I do not want it to add a second little small bag in lilac. So I wisely prefer to take the size L, and I do not regret because you will see it's amazing. Let me place my beauty inside. So the size L, because this bag, this zip crossbody bag, come in two sizes, S and L. L retail for, if I remember well, in euro 330 euro, and in dollar it is $430. And the dimension, it's really bigger than the small one. That's why they call it S and L. There is no M. And look, if you put inside, you see there's a difference. So the dimension, I will write in inches for you guys. In centimeter, it is 27 centimeter, 28, and 4 centimeter. 4. And guys, even I am a petite, I was afraid because when I made the video about the small one, I tell you I was not sure about the size L because, but to be honest, when I was, yes, in shop. This one come from Avignon, and at that time in the boutique, I do not really tried the L1. I did not even look at it. I thought, oh no, it's too big. That's okay. I just want the small one, and in fact, I was in love with this color, and I just wanted this one. So that time that I know I wanted a larger one, I tried it, and I will include Modshots at the end of the video, and you will see it's okay. Look my body and the size of the bag, it's really okay. And just an information, if the straps are too long, normally they can cut it for you and send the bag back to the boutique. So ask for you, and it's possible. So the size L is like that, and it's a pleasure to open it. You open it so easily. So inside you've got the traditional jacquard ribbon from Longchamp in lilac, and it's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. You've got a zip pocket on one side, and the zip pocket is huge. Oh, the tag, the care booklet, it's really huge. It goes till the bottom of the bag, so it's a nice place. You've got one main compartment, and here on the other side you've got two flap pockets. I will turn it, you can see, yes, two flap pockets, and also this one goes all this space, so two big flap pockets, and yes, it's really generous, and it reminds me of the Evelyn from Hermes. I will insert a picture, but less expensive. But it gives me this vibe, and the strap, as you can see, is not removable. You can only adjust it. You've got several holes, and yes. So now I'm going to switch the bag, because today I'm going to use it. And the last days I was using this cutie, you remember, my Replay shoulder bag, and it's great for running around. It's really great. And my sister prepared me this chain. How cute it is! How cute it is! Thank you. So, of course, so I will put my wallet. It's so funny how huge it is. I will put pen here, mint. Okay, I will take this one. I have this one, but I can also switch, because, and that's okay, because yes, I'll let this inside. I will not use it today. So, but look how gorgeous. Yes, these colors are really cute. These colors are really cute. But I will also change it, because I got the lilac, you saw it. So I take the like one I just bought, and oh, gorgeous. I love so much this color, they are insane. And both are really nice. Yes, I don't know if either I go and make this combo, or if I'm crazy and I go all lilac. Okay, I'm crazy, I go all lilac. So let me switch the cards. And I've got a bunch of things. Oh God. So I've got money, keys. I put all this inside. Yes, look. I put all this inside. And I've got coins. Oh my god, I also got this card, I forgot. Okay, so this one comes here. Yes. And I'll place the cone inside. And everything is okay. Ready, ready, ready. Oh my god. So, I place it like, oh, stunning. I love it. So, and this one I put there. And look at the space. Oh my god. It's so sad. I don't know if you can see, but look how gorgeous the colors is inside. It's really matching perfectly. And I will also add some items. My box for my mask. My Hermes notebook. And yes, I will also switch and take my pouch. More things. Okay. Okay, I switched from turquoise lilac color for all lilac. Oh, I love it. I'm crazy. I'm a lilac crazy, and it's so cute. So I put this like that, and look, it's amazing, guys, how much space you have. It's amazing, really, really insane. And I've placed nothing in the flat pocket, but I could do it without problem. Oh, guys, and I close it. I love it, and it is so lightweight. It's incredible. Look, with a jean. I love it, really. I really love it. The color is insane. And to be honest, I will make a review time after I will use it a lot. I will give you information if there is any maybe color transferred. I do not think, because I have a beige Foulonné leather bag, I wear it with jean, dark jean, black, and so it never happens any color transfer. So I will try with this one and keep you informed. But I love it so much. So you can wear it either crossbody or like this on your shoulder. It's also super. I really, really love. So cute. So practical, lightweight. I will put the weight. I do not remember, but it's it's really lightweight, like many Foulonné leather bag. This leather is really light, and as the Foulonné line for the moment tends to be minimalist and not have too many hardware, and so the bags are most of the time really lightweight, and I love that, because when you have to carry things all days and you have kids, and you do not need to have a heavy bag. I love it. And I will customize it with one of my lilac twilly from Hermes. I love this one. It is so cute. I will write the name for you guys. So look how gorgeous it is. Of course, if you do not love lilac, you will not understand why I am so crazy about this bag. And maybe crazy about this bag, yes, because this bag is really adorable. And oh my god, there's also turquoise color right there, and it's so cute. And oh, really cute, really cute. So cute, love it. I love it. I really love it. I will try several bows, but I love this one. It's cute, really cute. Yes, because I took in lilac, but this bag is available in many colors. You can have it in navy. They have produced a new color, once again navy, but this navy shade is really cute. They have produced it in caramel, which is a brown, in black, in, like mine, turtle dove, amazing, in lilac, and there is also saffron. Saffron is really a nice color. And the very last one, I have a chance to sew it in real because it's brand new. Cypress color. Insane. Cypress color, insane. And every time it is gold hardware. Okay, but the bag is so cute. So I could not resist. Yeah, no, I'm crazy. I'm really crazy. I will do, because I was tagged, and I will do a video concerning all my collection of lilac and violet bag. And yes, you will see. But I have to admit that a lot of my lilac bag are brand new because this year, 2022, was the lilac year, and it was crazy. It was really crazy. So guys, that was all for today. If you have questions about this bag and or even against the smaller one, do not hesitate. I have both, so I can answer you. And do not hesitate to comment. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And yes, guys, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. We are a nice community, but I think we can be a bigger community. So do not hesitate to subscribe and join us if you want to talk about Longchamp and other brands. But yes, I admit I am a big Longchamp addicted. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bisous. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous dis à très bientôt. Bye, guys.